Welcome back to Wrap Shop Garage. It's a Saturday morning here in Wisconsin, and here's what we got today. My brother-in-law asked me to clean this thing up and get it running. It's a 72, 73 Honda. I'm not sure what the displacement is. It's been sitting around for quite some time. Filthy, leaks oil, doesn't run. We're gonna get it cleaned up today, and in the next few videos, try and get this thing running. So here's what we're starting with. It's definitely seen better days. Tank's dented. It's missing a cover on this side. But hey, this ought to be fun. Let's see what we can do. Let's get this thing power washed, cleaned up, and see what we're working with anyways. So this could be a pretty cool build. I'm not going to go nuts on it. I just want to get it running for them and clean it up a little bit. Let's get started. Let's see what we get here. Been a while since I've run this. Alright, there you have it. Let's let this thing dry off and see what we're working with. That's the whole point of today. I'm not trying to make it look good, I'm trying to clean it off, see what we're working with. So, in the next episode, we're going to tackle probably cleaning out the fuel tank, pulling the carburetors off, cleaning those up, and see if we can get this thing to fire. So until next time, thanks for watching.